kasi doon sa
po yung
mga
kaso.
mga nagsasabi na mas nauna pa raw kayo nakulong kaysa dun sa mga dapat na
Post nyo kanina po.
Mas nauna akong makulong kaysa
Kumpara yung
sa mga
mga
kurap
nanakaw.
na congressman.
Oh, I mean, syempre, mauna talaga ako makukulong since sila hindi makukulong, wala pa silang mga kaso. And the big problem here is that yung mga nagnakaw, yung mga na-involved sa flood control, they're very close with President Marcos. So, it will all lead to Malacanang. Hindi silang pwede especially yung Vice Speaker Romualdez, congressman na na-involved sa ICI. If they were to be in prison, it will all lead to Marcos. And that's why it's still a big issue there. Wala talaga sa
Are you
kanila.
disappointed po sa ating justice system? Parang
We expected na natin to. This is expected, especially now. It's worsened a lot recently.
Kung ba tayo nandito ngayon sa hearing ni VP Sara, magsasalita po ba?
Hello,
Any point?
I'm only here to support Vice President Sara Duterte.
Kung ibig sabihin yung hindi kayo sumuko kayo, ibig sabihin hindi kayo papareho kay EKR.
Ha?
Hindi kayo papareho kay Enrique Razon. Kasi ang issue lang ng party pa rin, so hindi kayo magpapareho kay Razon.
So it depends kung magkakaroon pa na meet. That depends on the mediation. That's still going to be decided by my mediation team to the best course of action.
Kung napakinggan niyo ba yung report ni Patriana? Napakinggan mo ba kanina?
Pero hindi masyado kasi parang naiiyak siya in the statement. So, hindi masyado. I'll just read it later.
Kung concerning po yung voluntary surrender niyo, about what cybercrime complaints po siya?
Cyber. It's from one of
Sino
the...
nagreklamo nito?
It's from the Rizon case, I believe.
Kung ano masasabi mo dun sa testimony ni Madriano?
I already responded to that. Hindi ko masyadong naintindihan since mostly me siya tapos so I'll just be reading the testimony later. Pero wala ko masyadong para same lang sa 2025 they're going to try to push something against Vice President Sara Duterte and then it will just fizzle out and then next year baka may impeachment.
so walang pasabog, walang bomba sa
Parang lagi mang ganun. Recycled issues.
Walang parte doon na naniniwala ka sa sinabi niya.
Well, 25, if they couldn't prove couldn't prove any of the statements of 2025 or any of Marcos's claims against Vice President Sara Duterte, then I believe this one will end the same way.
Pero paano po nila magigiba yung credibility ng Madriaga wala po dito sa Sara? Paano nila magigiba yung credibility ng Madriaga wala po dito sa Sara?
No, it's up to Madriaga to prove his credibility and right now I just came from the hearing in the Committee of Justice and very inconsistent siya, like paiyak-iyak siya, hindi naman it's
natatawa kayo sa paiyak-iyak.
because it's a very masyadong dramatic. So we'll just see kung ano yung mangyayari doon, but I don't really find it believable.
Kung ilang oras kayo sa presinto kayo?
Hindi ko na maalala. 2 hours.
Napasok pa kayo sa set?
Ha?
Napapasok sa sukulan sa selfie.
I will be discussing the speech mamaya. May na-record na akong speech addressing the issue with Marcos.
Official day to work
Well, technically, yung first official day ko pa meeting sa Maycor when I back the plenary. Pero doon, dumaan na ako. I joined Congressman Marcoleta and some other
Hindi na raw po kayo ba magpapasaway?
Ha?
Hindi na raw po ba kayo magpapasaway?
Depende. Bakit sa?
Bakit sa impeachment hearing kayo unang nagpakita?
Well, yung kasi kakabalik ko lang. The suspension ended last week, I believe, and this is the first major event that it's part of. This is the first major event ever since my suspension has ended.